Hey, what's up? How you doing today? This is actually a follow-up video, follow-up to a video I did years ago called Advice for Worn-Out Engines. But I always kind of believed that this stuff worked, and now that I've seen some other videos, I really believe it. So I'm gonna try to keep this short and share two links in the description that are really thorough. The first one's short, maybe just 5 or 7 minutes or something. And then the second one will be Project Farm, and that guy is super thorough. He's sounds like a well-trained engineer, but anyway, if you're not familiar with this stuff, it's really good. I highly recommend it. Um, it comes in 4, 6, and 8 cylinder cans. I buy the 8 cylinder because I have a little 4 cylinder, so I just kind of try to use about half of it one time, and then the second half later. But it says restores compression, power, engine life, and reduces oil consumption, and that will also get your mileage back up to where it should be, hopefully to where it should be. It mentions that in the fine print on the back, but I'm not going to read all that stuff. But unfortunately, it is a bummer for Ford powerstroke diesels. Don't know why, but for some reason it's not for them. And why it works in everything else but that is that's a weird one. Um, but it says, independent tests prove that Restore works to increase compression to near original levels. Oh wow. That means more horsepower, less oil consumption, better mileage, and maximum engine performance. So, wait a minute, I read the wrong part there, sorry. Independent tests prove that Restore works to increase compression in high mileage engines. If your car has over 100,000 miles, we guarantee an increase in compression or your money back. Well, so yeah, if it has over 100,000, but even if it has less than 100,000, it probably still won't hurt to use it. Just check by doing a compression test. See what your factory compression is supposed to be. And if it's less than that, and you've got less than 100,000 miles, then I wouldn't hesitate to throw it in to your next oil change. And of course, it says shake well, add engine oil, use at every oil change. I don't know about that. I think I'm gonna go with maybe every other oil change and see how it does. But I also have a theory, and you can test me on this. If you can get it at the best deal, which is probably somewhere like Walmart, I think it'll probably pay for itself. If it gets your compression back up, that's getting your mileage back up, and that's saving you a few bucks. So, but yep, this is your standard compression tester for a gas engine. Diesel's got to be higher than 300 psi, but it's just got this hose that has a 14 millimeter thread. 14 millimeter by 1.25 thread pitch. That's the most common size. It's got this long adapter here. I think that's a bigger size right here. But if you don't know how to do it, it's pretty simple. There's plenty of videos on that you can watch and see how it's done. Grab you some standard spark plug sockets, and an air ratchet helps a lot with spark plugs. And I still don't have one of these cool electric battery powered power ratchet that are probably a lot quieter than this sucker. And also, let's see, some stubby 3/8 drive ratchets come in real handy as well. This is a set of compression tester adapter I got for small engines. I think I ordered it off of eBay. It was pretty cheap. But anyway, I'll try to get this up and put those two links. Those links are really cool because it shows before and after results. So check it out. Take care. Have a good one.